Good evening, parents and students. Today we are going to organize English debate of class 7. So here our 8 candidates who going to compete this debate. Okay, one by one introduction.
Myself Vivek Kumar Sharma, grade in class 7.
Myself Krishna Kumar, standard 7.
Myself Deepu Gupta from class 7.
Nitin Kumar, class 7.
Myself Afsha Ahmad.
My name is Ariba Hakim from class 7.
Myself Kumari Shreya from class 7.
I am Nancy Kumari from class 7.
So there are our 8 candidates. तो आज जो डिबेट है वो 4 सेक्शन में डिवाइडेड है. फर्स्ट सेक्शन जो होगा हमारा पैसेज सेक्शन, जिसमें एक पैसेज ईच स्टूडेंट से पूछा जाएगा. सेकेंड हमारा ग्रामर और थर्ड हम लिटरेचर की ओर चलेंगे. लिटरेचर में भी एमसीक्यू और सब्जेक्टिव जो क्वेश्चन आंसर आते हैं. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले फर्स्ट टेबल नंबर अफसा अहमद. पैराग्राफ आपको नहीं दिख रहा है, सामने आके भी पढ़ सकती है. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ पढ़िए, उसको रीडिंग करना है, यहाँ सामने, मन में नहीं पढ़ना है.
A farmer is an important person in our society. It lives in a village. सर थोड़ा जूम कर दीजिए.
आगे चली जाओ, वहाँ पर खड़ा होकर देखो.
The house is very small. It is generally not pakka. A farmer eats very simple food. He eats heavy chapatis. He takes vegetables rarely. He does not take fruit generally. The dress of a farmer is very simple. He wears a dhoti and kurta. They are made of khadi. He does not wear shirt and pant. He works very hard. He gets up early in the morning. He works in his field. He plows his land from morning till evening. He grows food and grains on his land. He is the feeder of the world. Now he uses tractor and fertilizer for good crops. In the evening he sits in chopal with other farmers. There they talks about politics.
पढ़ लिया आपने पैसेज. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट इन आवर सोसाइटी?
A farmer.
सही है. सेकंड, द फार्मर लिव्स इन अ
Village.
बिल्कुल राइट. थर्ड, द फार्मर इट्स वेरी सिंपल
Food.
फूड. नाइस. फोर्थ, द फार्मर वियर्स
Dhoti and kurta.
धोती एंड कुर्ता जो पैसेज में था. फिफ्थ, द फार्मर ड्रेस इज मेड ऑफ खादी. ओके, 5 क्वेश्चन था, पांचों ने इनका पांचों जवाब जो थे इनका राइट था. नेक्स्ट हम लोग चलेंगे अरीबा, पढ़िए इसे.
The sailor took the bowl in his hands and suspecting it was gold, scratched a line on the bottom with needle. He knew his suspicion was right. The bowl pure gold. Thinking that he would get the bowl for nothing, he pretended that it was useless and scornfully threw it on the ground, rose from his seat and went out of the house. The young girl was very sad at the sailor's rudeness, and the old woman could not understand why he had become so annoyed or why he had behaved in such an insulting manner. Seeing her granddaughter's eagerness, the old woman could serve one in, so he came into the house and but the bowl in his hand, he was surprised to see that it was made of gold.
समझ गए? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, he scratched a line on the bottom of the bowl. Okay. Second,
Said.
then he said of buying it. Right, I said. कितना उसने सोचा कि उसको सस्ते में खरीद लेगा. ऑप्शन नंबर 2 इज राइट. थर्ड, he throw the ball on the ground because to show to the sailor Serbian ladies या old women. सेरिवन उसे दिखाना चाहता था कि ये यूजलेस है. फोर्थ, The old woman called Serivan in because her granddaughter was very eager to have a new
bowl.
bowl. Fifth, Serivan was surprised because the ball was made of
Gold.
gold. Okay, 5 में इनका 4 राइट हुआ. Next, आप पढ़िए.
But she knew that Halku was right. She did not like anyone abusing her husband. She thought she should give the money to her husband. She took out the 3 rupees and put them in his hand and said, "Since farming does not give us enough to eat, you should give it up. We do not get any money to spend. The land needs all the money. We are always in debt. What do you get in return for all your hard work? Only abuse." It was a cold, dark night. Even the stars seemed to shiver with cold. Since Halku had no woolen clothes, she wrapped himself in an old cotton sheet. She gave
पैसेज के बाद जो पाला हुआ. She gave how many rupees?
option number A 3.
Option number
A.
Option number A 3. Second, he advised her husband to give up
Farming.
farming. Nice. Third, they were always in debt and the land needed all the
Hard work.
hard work. Hard work सही है.
शर्म लगना चाहिए.
यहाँ क्या लिखा हुआ है? They should give it. We do not get any money to spend. The land need all the
Money.
money. क्या होना चाहिए था यहाँ पे?
Money.
Money. Four.
Halku.
Halku robbed himself in an old cotton sheet because he had no
Woolen clothes.
woolen clothes. Okay, fifth. Who could not sleep because it was a cold dark night? कौन नहीं सो पाया?
Option number A हो.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए झगड़ा एंड हल्कू.
मतलब यहाँ पे हल्कू होगा. Option number C.
सिर्फ सी हल्कू, क्योंकि उसके पास वुलन क्लॉथ नहीं थे इसलिए उसे रात में नींद नहीं है. ओके, एक गलत हुआ. नेक्स्ट हम लोग चलते हैं नैन्सी की ओर. आप मैसेज पढ़िए अपना.
One evening I went to see a circus. There was a very big tent and an empty ring in the middle. The show began to 6 p.m. and acrobat came there. She stood on a ladder. She threw cups and skirts into the air, but none of them fell down. A joker also did the same and made the people laugh at his jokes. There came 7 elephants. One of them prepared tea and served it to his fellow elephant. It was a wonderful scene. In the last came a fearful lion. His master brought a big ring and lighted fire. He made the lion to jump through it. I enjoyed the circus very much.
Okay. First question.
Option number A, evening.
Option number A, evening. Second, the circus began to
6 p.m.
6 p.m. Third, she threw cups and saucers into the कहाँ फेंका उन्होंने?
Air.
Air. Nice.
Forecast.
यहाँ लिखा हुआ है she threw cups and saucers into the air. Next.
Option number D, 7.
Option number D, 7. Last. क्या प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे वो?
T.
प्रिपेयर टी. ओके, पांचों इनका जो आंसर था वो सही हुआ. अब चलेंगे हम लोग विवेक शर्मा की ओर. आपका पैसेज ये रहा, पढ़िए.
I was about 6-year-old once I saw a beautiful picture of in a book. It was a picture of a dense forest. I thought about the forest and drew a picture of an animal. I showed it to some grown cops asked him, "Are you afraid of it?" But they asked him, "Afraid? Why should once be afraid of a hat? My drawing was not good of a hat. To me it was an elephant, but he grown cops were not able to understand it." One of those grown-ups advised him, "Stop drawing, Devote yourself interested to geography, arithmetic, and grammar. That is why I give up drawing. That is why I could not become a great artist.
Okay, first question. The boy drew a picture of
A forest,
a forest. Second, afraid.
afraid,
ये क्या है? afraid statement है, question है, order है या request है?
statement,
Question mark लगा है ना जी?
question, sir.
Question mark है तो question ही होगा.
Question.
Third, but for the advice for grown up, the child would have become
An artist.
artist बनता. Fourth, why did the child give up drawing?
He want to become a mathematician. I was so advised. It was a difficult drawing I had. Sir, option number B.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी बिल्कुल सही है. ही वाज सो एडवाइस क्योंकि उसे एडवाइस दिया गया था कि ड्राइंग छोड़ो, ड्राइंग में कोई कैरियर नहीं है. फिफ्थ,
Option number C.
आई सॉ अ पिक्चर इन अ बुक
Beautiful.
ब्यूटीफुल. ओके, एक इनका रॉन्ग हुआ. अब चलते हैं कृष्णा की ओर. आपका पैसेज कृष्णा ये रहा.
There are so many ways in which we can avoid waste. We can see that taps are turned off properly so that water is not wasted. We must save energy, and energy means everything from electricity to petrol to cooking gas and firewood. Energy is usually in running all our factories, our transports, even the water pumps in the field. Careful use of our energy resource can be as million rupees. We must not waste food. There are many people less
फर्नीचर ये फॉर्चूनेट.
fortunate than us who do not get enough food. We must also save paper and take care of our book. Wasteful use of paper means more filling of tree.
Wasteful नहीं wasteful.
Wasteful.
Okay, first question. By wasting dash we cause more felling of tree.
Paper.
पेपर के इस्तेमाल से ज्यादा पेड़ को काटना पड़ेगा. नेक्स्ट, बाय सेविंग एनर्जी वी कैन सेव
Money.
मनी. बिल्कुल राइट. थर्ड, मेनी पुअर पीपल डू नॉट गेट इनफ
Food.
फोर्थ, हु डज नॉट प्रोवाइड अस एनर्जी?
Transport.
फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, which of the following is not true?
Sir B. We must save factories.
We must save factory. It is a wrong statement.
It is a wrong statement.
Okay, next, Deepu Gupta. Read.
We calculate the time with the help of day and months. The earth revolves around the sun. It takes 365 days and 6 hours to make one full round. This period of time is called an year. There are 12 months in an year. Each month has its own name. A month has 30 days, but some months have 31 days. February has only 28 days. The year starts from 1st January and ends on 31 December. January is the first month and December is the last month of the year. November, December, January and February are cold months. March, April, May and June are hot months. Its rain is in July, August, September and October. This period is rainy season. There are 7 days in a week. There are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. A day has a 24 hours, 70 minutes make an hour. A minute has 60 seconds and year has 52 week. There are 365 days in a year.
Understand? Okay, first question. How do we calculate the time?
Day and month.
In days and months. Second,
12.
option number
B.
B. Correct. Third,
C.
C. C also correct. 4.
Option number A.
365 days and 6 hours. 5th.
Sun. A.
The earth revolves round the sun. Very good. पांचों राइट हुआ. अब जो है लास्ट कैंडिडेट नितिन पढ़ेंगे.
Water is vital for life on the earth. All animal and plant need water to survive. About 70% of water are surrounded by water. Water is an renewable natural resource. Our body contains more than 70% of water. Some vegetables and fruits like tomato and watermelon contain more than 95% of water.
Okay. Water is required daily for option number C, A and B. Okay, second.
C.
Water and air both is required for generating electricity. Third.
C.
Option number C. Okay. Fourth. Photosynthesis.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, D, all.
All of it above. यानी photosynthesis
सभी
needs water, germination of seeds and also growth of
Plants.
Okay, last. How many percent of the earth are surrounded by water? 70%. Okay, one room. तो हमने पैसेज किया, बहुत अच्छा जवाब दिया बच्चों ने. अब हम लोग करेंगे सेकेंड ग्रामर. अब ग्रामर पूछा जाएगा आपसे, आप उसका आंसर देंगे. ग्रामर पहले शुरू करेंगे हम लोग अफसा से. लोडिंग इतना क्यों ले रहा है?
तो ये भरा. इसके बाद देखो बेटा, अगर हमारे पास n-3 आ जाए तो n-3
रोकिए और
x के ऊपर इस नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट इन x.
So first question for Afsa. Transform the following sentence into direct to indirect speech. Turn around. He told her. Indirect speech में चेंज करना है. See, he told her turn around. Is wrong. कौन right बताएगा? Yes, Vivek Sharma.
Sir, option number D.
Option number D is right. He asked her to turn around. Okay, next. Direct to indirect. My friend told me this is not a good book to read. My friend told me this is not a good book to read. देखो पास कीजिए. ऑप्शन नंबर डी एब्सोल्युटली राइट है, बिल्कुल सही है. ट्रांसफॉर्म द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस टू एक्सक्लेमेटरी टू सिंपल सेंटेंस. व्हाट अ डिलीशियस मील. wrong. Okay, Ariba.
Option number C.
Option number C. This meal is delicious. Is right. Okay, next. We live in a tiny flat. आगे का क्या होगा? Question tag है. We नहीं हाथ ऐसे नहीं उठाना, उनको पहले पास होने देना.
सर बी.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी बिल्कुल सही है. बी और सी जो ऑप्शन सेम था. लास्ट. We don't like spicy food. क्या होगा क्वेश्चन टैग? ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज राइट. क्या गलत है क्या?
सर हमको लगा कि डी.
डी के
No, sir, wrong है.
यहाँ पे नेगेटिव रहता है तो क्वेश्चन टैग में वहां पॉजिटिव नॉट को हटा देंगे. दो ही हो जाएगा. ओके नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अरीबा की ओर चलते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका. Sentence by changing the degree of adjective. The son is wiser than his father.
Option number A.
The son is as wise as his father. No. कोई बताएंगे? Yes, Krishna.
सर डी.
Option number D is right. His father is not so wise as the son. एडजेक्टिव का डिग्री भी चेंज हुआ, साथ ही साथ उसका मीनिंग भी चेंज नहीं हुआ. ओके नेक्स्ट. एक्टिव टू पैसिव वॉइस. आई एम डूइंग सम्स. एवी टू पीवी.
Option number B.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी. सम्स आर बीइंग डन बाय मी. बिल्कुल सही. डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट. शी सेड टू मी, डू यू नो जैक?
Option number C.
She asked me that she knew Jack. She asked me that she knew Jack. Is wrong.
Option number
Yes. Nancy.
Option number B.
Option number B. She asked me if she knew Jack. No. Yes, Apsa.
सर ऑप्शन नंबर सी.
C तो उन्होंने बोला ही था. C. Yes.
सर डी.
D. She asked me if I knew Jack.
चेक.
ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका. इनमें से जो करेक्ट स्पेलिंग है आपको चुनना है. किसकी स्पेलिंग सही है?
Option number D.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी पॉल्यूशन सही है. और इसमें लास्ट
Option number A.
बिल्कुल सही है. नाइस. अब हम लोग चलते हैं स्नेहा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पढ़िए. सिनोनिम ऑफ डिफाई. डिफाई का सिनोनिम्स क्या होगा?
Option number C.
ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज रॉन्ग. यस. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज राइट. चैलेंज. सेकंड डैश मीन कमांड रिस्पेक्ट.
Option number A.
ऑप्शन नंबर होली. कौन सा होली? ऑप्शन नंबर ए नहीं होगा.
Option number D होगा.
अंदाजे मत मारिए. चलिए ए नहीं होगा. कौन बताएगा? चलिए दीपू बताएंगे. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज राइट. ऑप्शन नंबर डी होगा. होली मैन यानी पवित्र आदमी, शुद्ध आदमी, अच्छा आदमी. 17 यानी कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. रामन वाज डैश बाय द इंग्लिश किंग.
Option number B.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी नाइटेड. राइट. ट्रांसफॉर्म द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस बाय चेंजिंग द डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. Mumbai is one of the richest cities.
Option
in
number
India.
A.
ऑप्शन नंबर
A.
मुंबई इज रिचर देन मोस्ट अदर सिटीज इन इंडिया. बिल्कुल सही है. लास्ट क्वेश्चन आपके लिए. एबी टू पीबी. समवन हैज lit the fire.
Option number A.
The fire was lit by someone.
wrong.
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 Yes, Sharma ji.
Option number D, sir.
The fire had been.
No, sir. No, sir. C.
Option number C is right. The fire has been lit by Someone. Option number C is right. Okay. Next candidate, Nancy. First question. Who taught you English?
Option number A.
By whom English was taught to you? Is wrong.
Sir.
Yes, Aliva.
Option number C.
Option number C. By whom was English taught to you? Okay. His legal base is Sheila. कौन सा hair होगा यहाँ पे?
Option number A.
Option number A is right. Next. Dash lands have no market.
Option number B.
Option number B barren. बिल्कुल सही. आपको बताना है इसमें से कौन सा रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग है. स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग.
Option number D.
ऑप्शन नंबर डी वासरमैन. वासरमैन तो सही है. एक्चुअली इसमें से नन ऑफ द अबव होगा क्योंकि सभी का स्पेलिंग, नर्स का स्पेलिंग सही है, डॉक्टर का भी सही है, पेशेंट भी सही है और वो भी सही है. चलिए इसको स्किप करते हैं. आप नेक्स्ट बताइए. इनकरेक्टली स्पेलिंग बताना है.
इसमें भी ऑल राइट है.
ऑल राइट है? नहीं, ये गलत है. कौन बताएगा? यस अरीबा.
Option number B.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी कैमरामैन में डबल एम थोड़ी होता है. वो जो है वो रॉन्ग है. चलिए आगे हम चलते हैं. विवेक शर्मा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डिग्री चेंज करना. एवरेस्ट इज द हाईएस्ट माउंटेन इन द वर्ल्ड. Everest is the highest mountain in the world.
Sir, option number A.
Option number A is wrong. Okay, Deepu.
Option number C.
Option number C. Everest is not the lowest mountain in the world. Is right. Next, people speak English all over the world. AB to PB करना है.
So option number B.
Option number
B.
English was spoken all over the world. इस का बाद हो जाएगा. नहीं, wrong है. बताइए कृष्णा.
Sir, A.
English is spoken all over the world. बिल्कुल सही है. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं हम लोग. टू और सो. टू के जगह आपको सो का यूज करना है. He speak too fast to be followed.
So option number D.
He speaks so fast that none can follow. Is wrong. कौन बताएगा? Yes, Afsa.
C.
He speaks so fastly. Is also wrong. Yes, Nitin. मतलब यहाँ ये चल रहा है क्या? डी नहीं हुआ, सी हुआ, बी नहीं हुआ, बी भी रॉन्ग है. He speaks so fast that no one can follow. Is the right answer. Okay. Very easy question. What is the plural of baby?
Option number B, sir.
Option number B is right. Plural of what?
Option number C.
Option number C. Okay. Next candidate, Krishna. First question. Synonyms of exhibit. Synonym of exhibit.
Forbid.
Forbid is wrong. Anyone? Yes.
Option number C.
Option number C, so is right. Exhibit सुने ना, exhibition लगा हुआ है. प्रदर्शनी, प्रदर्शन करना, दिखाना. Next. It is not healthy to use hair. Hair dyes, dye या dyes.
Sir, C.
Option number C is right. Next. The dash of a snow-clad mountain is exciting.
सर ए
इज रॉन्ग। यस शर्मा जी।
ऑप्शन नंबर बी।
ऑप्शन नंबर बी SIGHT साइट, साइट मतलब होता है नजारा। ऑप्शन नंबर 2 इज राइट। नेक्स्ट, ट्रांसफॉर्म द फॉलोइंग टू एक्टिव टू पैसिव। द पीपल इलेक्टेड द मेयर।
सर सी
Mayor is elected by the people. Okay, next. Direct to indirect. He said to her, "What a cold day."
सर बी।
He exclaimed that it was a cold day is wrong.
ऑप्शन
Yes, Vivek.
ऑप्शन नंबर सी।
Option number C is also wrong. चलिए उधर घुमाइए, बोलना चाहते हैं, हाथ नीचे कीजिए। यस पवन, ये प्रकाश। ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट। बहुत अच्छा। He exclaimed that it was a very cold day. Is right. Okay, next Deepu. First question. Write the antonym of, say the antonym of myth.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए।
ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज रॉन्ग। मिलता जुलता ही है, जैसे आपने बोला। और क्या हो सकता है उसमें? ए अगर नहीं हुआ तो क्या हो सकता है? बी फैक्ट। मिथ यानी होता है जो झूठी बात हो, फैक्ट जो वास्तविकता हो, रियलिटी हो। राइट द एंटोनिम ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंट। ट्रांसपेरेंट का एंटोनिम्स क्या होगा? मत बोलिए उधर से।
ऑप्शन नंबर सी।
ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज राइट। माय फ्रेंड इज अ नेवल ऑफिसर। कौन सा नेवल? स्पेलिंग कौन सा होता है नेवल का?
ऑप्शन नंबर सी।
ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज रॉन्ग। बताइए सर।
बी।
डी
बी।
बी इज राइट। ओके, नेक्स्ट। डैश इज अ हेवी मेटल। इनमें से कौन एक मेटल है?
ऑप्शन नंबर सी।
ऑप्शन नंबर सी लीड। ओके, नाइस। लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। ट्रांसफॉर्म द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस इनडायरेक्ट टू डायरेक्ट। शी सेड दैट शी वाज कमिंग। डी शी टोल्ड दैट शी वाज कमिंग। ओके, नाइस। अब चलते हैं हम लोग लास्ट कैंडिडेट नितिन पटेल की ओर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नितिन, ट्रांसफॉर्म द सेंटेंस बाय चेंजिंग टू इनटू सो। दैट स्पेक्टेकल वाज टू हॉरिबल। टू को हटा के सो करना है। ऑप्शन नंबर सी, द स्पेक्टेकल वाज सो हॉरिबल। ओके, नेक्स्ट। रॉन्गली स्प्लिट। इसमें से एक स्पेलिंग जो है रॉन्ग है, आपको बताना है कौन सा रॉन्ग है।
ब्लूटूथ क्यों चल रहा है? ब्लूटूथ वाला हटा दीजिए।
हाँ, क्या बोला आपने? ए बिल्कुल सही है। कमिटेड का स्पेलिंग जो होता है COMMITTED। ओके, 22 यानी आपका सेकेंड क्वेश्चन। इसमें आपको बताना है कौन सा स्पेलिंग जो है वो इनकरेक्ट है। वैलिएंट, ब्रिलियंट, सैलिएंट, रेडिएंट। सी इज रॉन्ग, वो स्पेलिंग सही है। यस दीपू। ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज ऑल्सो राइट, मतलब स्पेलिंग राइट है, आपका आंसर गलत है। यस, बताइए।
ऑप्शन नंबर बी।
ऑप्शन नंबर बी क्या गलत है उसमें, बताइए तो।
ई की जगह ए होगा।
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा। ब्रिलियंट में ई की जगह क्या होगा? ए होगा। BRILLIANT, ब्रिलियंट। ओके, नेक्स्ट। एक स्पेलिंग गलत है इसमें। सी, ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज राइट। Next, I am ill. My dash hurt. My foot hurt. Foot hurt. Feet hurt. Option number C. Foot is wrong. Yes, Vivek ji.
Option number A.
Option number A. My feet hurt. ये बताइए सबसे आसान आपके लिए चाइल्ड का प्लूरल क्या लिखा है इसमें? चाइल्ड्स क्या किया आपने? रुको वो बताएगा। चाइल्ड्स का प्लूरल क्या होता है? बी चिल्ड्रंस। बहुत दुख हो रहा है। चाइल्ड का बचपन में पढ़ाया जाता है। देखिए सब बोलने के लिए सब हाथ उठाए यहाँ पे। बताइए बताइए दीपू। चिल्ड्रेन। चाइल्ड का जो प्लूरल होता है वो होता है चिल्ड्रेन। बहुत इतना इजी क्वेश्चन था। ओके तो ग्रामर सेक्शन भी हमने कंप्लीट किया। अब हम लिटरेचर आपके बुक की ओर चलते हैं। जो बुक से है उससे पहले हम लोग एमसीक्यू ट्राई करेंगे।
नहीं हो गया सर? L बराबर 2 में मैक्सिमम इलेक्ट्रॉन फार्मूला देखो 2 into 2L plus 1 L बराबर 2 तो 2 गुणा 2 plus 1 into 2 10 आ गया। और अगर ये हटा दिया अब कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन 2m स्क्वायर
रुक
है ना? कौन सा प्रश्न हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है?
तो हम लोग एमसीक्यू करते हैं। फर्स्ट असाइनमेंट से 5 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे आपके लिटरेचर बुक का ही है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हु स्टेयर्ड एट द बॉय? ए प्रिया मतलब ऑप्शन नंबर ए प्रिया। ओके राइट। सेकंड प्रिया बिकेम हैप्पी व्हेन।
अच्छा ये बताओ क्या आप माओ वायलेट हो रहा है? अनमोल होगा
बी
B the boat sailed swiftly in water. Right. Third the big boy took Priya's boat because
सी
he did not have an aunt Smita. Fourth Priya walked hesitantly toward the stream.
बी
Option number B the big boys were still there. Last question for you.
स्ट्रीम
Priya turned round and gently left the boat in the stream. Okay. Next, Ariba. First question आपके लिए. Who returned after winning the war?
ऑप्शन नंबर सी
Option B. क्या लिखा है इसमें?
किंग कृष्णदेव राय।
King Krishnadev. Okay. Right answer है. Second आपका. Who sent the neem plant to the king?
ऑप्शन नंबर बी सम पीपल हु वेर जेलस ऑफ तेनाली रामा।
Okay. Nice. Third question. Why were the people giving gift to the king?
ऑप्शन नंबर सी फॉर गेनिंग विक्ट्री।
For gaining victory. Next.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए किंग।
Option number A, kings. Nice. Last question. It was the festival of
ऑप्शन नंबर ए स्प्रिंग।
spring. Next हम लोग चलते हैं next candidate. First question आपके लिए. The boy's father looked at him.
Option number A, red eyed.
Red-eyed. Second.
Option number B,
What
raining
did
petals.
drop from the boy's forgotten hands? Raining
Option.
petals. Okay. Next.
Option number A, burfi.
What was the favorite sweet of the boy? Barfi. Fourth.
Option number D, all of these.
Okay. Nice. Next.
Option number B, Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu and Kashmir. All to all इनका right हुआ. Next जो है नैन्सी. First question.
Option number C.
Option number C. Srinagar. Right.
Option number D.
Option number D is also right. Third.
Option number A.
What are Shikaras? Houseboats. Okay. Next.
Option number C.
The farmers were frightened. किसान क्यों डरे थे? ऑप्शन नंबर आपने बोला?
C.
They saw giant footprint. Nice. Last question.
बहुत सही। ये वाला क्वेश्चन जो है आप करेंगे नहीं। बताओ बेटा
they could not call the police or army because
Option number B.
nobody would believe that an Iron Man existed. सही, इनका भी ऑल राइट हुआ। ये लिटरेचर बुक का ही है तो राइट तो बनता है क्योंकि आपने लिटरेचर 2 बार खत्म कर चुका है क्लास में। नेक्स्ट हम विवेक शर्मा से पूछते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। They did not want to fill the hole because
Option number C, sir.
option number C, because the hole was the only weapon against the iron monster. Question number 2.
Option number B, sir.
The Iron Man was pulling up the barbed wire fence that led down to the hill. What is
Option number C, Ottawa. Option number C, Ottawa.
Ottawa.
Sir, local
The train was very slow. Local train.
train.
Why did the author fell down from the first passenger train?
Option. हमसे है।
हाँ, last question है आपका।
Sir, option number B.
Option number B. He relinquished his hold from the bar. तो उसका हाथ जो है फिसल जाता है। Okay, कृष्णा। राजा कृष्णचंद्र ruled over
Nadia.
नाडिया। गोपाल भांड वाले भेरी। सॉरी, यहाँ पे डैश है, समझिए। डैश एन इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन।
Witty. A.
Witty. Next, Nawab said to the Raja to measure the length and width of the
Earth.
earth. Nice. Nawab wants to know the number of
Stars in the sky.
stars. Last question.
5. C.
Gopal
Option
took
Option number C. 5.
option was 5 ship to the Nawab court. बिल्कुल सही, all to all इनका राइट हुआ। नेक्स्ट, दीपू गुप्ता, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। गोपाल got million rupees as reward. How many?
Option number A.
Option number A, 1 million rupees. Next, King John does not like the
Option number C.
above. The king was jealous of the people who were
Option number D.
option number D. How many questions the king asked to the above?
Option number A.
Option number A, 3. Last question. Who was in disguise?
Option number C.
Option number C, Shepherd. Okay, last candidate. First question. Who gave the right answer? C. किस चैप्टर का है? चैप्टर का नाम बताइए। मालूम है आप लोगों को चैप्टर का नाम? Yes, Krishna.
The wise shepherd.
The wise shepherd. What did the chief of the rodent notice after some days? The number of rodent were decreasing every day. ये किस चैप्टर का है? इसका बताइए। The jackal machine and the
Rodents and jackal.
the rodents and
Jackal.
jackal. Okay. Third question. Which body part of the jackal made of the chief rodent realized that the jackal had been eating some rodents every day? Fat legs. Fat legs.
Wrong है sir.
Wrong,
Wrong.
sir.
चलिए बताएंगे कृष्णा जी।
Sir, fat belly.
फैट बेली, जो उनका पेट था धीरे धीरे जो था वो निकलता जा रहा था, उसी से शक हुआ। नेक्स्ट, who were impressed by the talk of the jackal? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, rodents. बिल्कुल सही। लास्ट क्वेश्चन। There lived an indolent jackal in a forest. Okay. तो एमसीक्यू सेक्शन भी हम कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। ऑलमोस्ट सभी बच्चों ने ऑल टू ऑल राइट ही किया है, एक दो छोड़ के। चलिए अब मेन पॉइंट जो है हम लोग का सब्जेक्टिव, यानी क्वेश्चन रहेगा, आपको उसका आंसर बताना है, एक्सप्लेन करना है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर अफसा अहमद। Who found the bones of the thief?
Some shepherds are found bones of thief.
Where? कहाँ पर थे? कहाँ पाए थे?
Forest.
In the forest. पूरा बताना है, ठीक है? Next. आप बताइए. Why did Madhu decide to find the mystic
not believe in any
He,
existence of
she.
C did not believe in any existence of demon.
Okay, she was also a brave and bold woman. Next, what did the king order to his treasurer?
The king ordered to his treasurers to arrest the Tenali Rama because he thinks that the Tenali Rama give him the neem plant.
सर ये रॉन्ग
सर ये wrong है।
Wrong है सर।
लेटर का आप बता रहे हैं, ये तो उसका है, मधु वाला, मधु। ओके
Sir,
चलिए।
the king ordered to his treasurer to give some required money to Madhu to unable to destroy the demon Tribhu.
To destroy the demon Tribahu. Okay, next. How did Madhu destroy Tribahu demon and get the bill?
Madhu was clever enough to understand the solution lies in the problem. She tasted some and witchcrafts. Then she went to the forest with lots of sweets and fruits and threw into the ground to attract the monkeys. And they pounced on their favorite eats. The monkey who tossed the bell away the bell from the ground and grabbed the fruits. Then Madhu no time to pick the bell and ran towards the town.
Okay. Next, we will. Your question. Who pulled out Priya's boat and why?
A big boy pulled out a Priya boat because he did not know how to make a paper boat, and he is off, and his family not live in the world.
He has not Aunt Smita who make to boat to him. Okay, next. Who made the boat for Priya? Why was Aunt Smita ready to make two paper boat for the you dirty boy?
Aunt Smita made the boat for Priya. Aunt Smita ready to make two boats for the huge dirty boy because she is a honest woman, and she did not want again the boy pulled out the Priya's boat, and third, the Aunt Smita thinks the boy does not know how to make a paper boat.
He also orphan boy.
He also a orphan boy.
Okay, next, Depu. What did Priya do after giving the two boats to the boy?
The Priya do after giving the two boats, he gently launched her boat and turned back.
Okay.
Sir.
और explain कौन कर सकता है अच्छे से? Yes, Krishna.
After giving the two boats to the boy became very happy and chin up in the air. And he turned gently and launched her boat in the stream of rainwater.
Okay, next, Nitin. How did the boy help Priya? कौन बताएगा अच्छे से? Yes, Vivek.
When a big boy saw the paper boat was cast on the lap of mud and stone, then he pulled away outside the stream.
Okay. Next question for Afsa Ahmed. Who was Tenali Rama? Who was Tenali Rama? Yes, Ariva.
A long time ago, a very wise man whose name was Tenali Rama lived in a King Krishna Dev Rai court.
और कोई ऐड कर सकता है? Yes, Nancy.
He was a great scholar of several languages and he was famous for his humor.
Humor. और ऐड करना चाहते हैं, बोलिए.
He was a witty and intelligent person. Tenali Rama is famous for their presence of mind, and Tenali Rama solved the complicated question if any help. Anybody?
Without any help.
Without any help.
Okay. Next. Who gifted a pot of neem plant to the king and why?
A man came and gifted a pot of neem plant to the king because he and said that this pot was given by Tenali Rama, who was suffering from fever, but it is not true. The pot of neem plant is given by some people who were jealous for Tenali Rama to defame Tenali Rama in king's eyes.
Very good. बिल्कुल सही है. क्या आप इसमें ऐड करें? बोलिए.
Sir, Tenali Rama did not send some people to the gift for the Raja Krishna Deva Rai. Some people who jealous the Tenali Rama were sending the some people for of the neem plant gift of.
चलिए, उनका बेहतर था जो आंसर था. जो आंसर कंप्लीट है उसको आगे एक्सप्लेन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, नेक्स्ट. What was the reaction of the king after receiving the gift of neem plant?
The king became very angry and gave the order to arrest Tenali Rama after receiving the neem plant.
Okay, next question. Who was arrested and brought before the king and why?
Tenali Rama was arrested and before the king. Tenali Rama was arrested and king became very angry because he gave a neem plant.
Because he gave a neem plant. Okay, next, Vivek. Why was the king pleased and impressed by Tenali Rama's wise answer? How did he reward Tenali Rama?
The king impressed by the wise talk of Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama said the importance of neem plant in all over the world, and a neem plant is very useful for us, and very medicines are made by the neem plant. So king was impressed by the wise talk of Tenali Rama.
Okay, nice. Next, where were the people going?
The people were going to spring season fair.
Fair of spring season, where many people were going in
With
crowd.
his family.
Okay, what did the juggler do?
The juggler was playing to a flute, to a snake, and the jug.
Okay, और कोई? Yes, रिवर्स करो भाई. बताइए.
The juggler playing a flute to a snake, cobra, which coiled itself in a basket.
फ्लूट को बजारा तो और कोई बोलना चाहता है? नैन्सी बोलिए.
Juggler stood playing with a flute to a snake which coiled in a basket, and its head raised like a graceful like a head of a swan.
Okay, next question. Nitin, why did the child not demand balloon from his parents?
The child not demand balloon for his parents because he know his parents would never give balloon to him.
Yes, Afsa, बताइए.
The child not demand balloons for his parents because he know his parents do not buy it.
Next, Afsa के लिए. In the fair, the child immigration is caught by various things. Make a list of all. क्या क्या देखा उसने मेले में?
In the fair, the child's imagination is caught various things like a juggler, a stool, a snake, and a flower seller sell a gulmohar flower and rose flower, etc. And sweet seller many variety of sweets like barfi and rasgulla.
कोई अच्छे से बोलना चाहता है? Yes, Sneha.
In the fair, the child's imagination was caught by various things, just like a sweet meat seller who sells many sweets, just like barfi, rasgulla, and gulab jamun, and a juggler who was dancing the snake, and the field of the mustard which was dotted with the yellow flower, and a balloon seller who was selling colorful balloons.
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अब जो है हम लोग रैंडम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, ठीक है? आप जो है हाथ उठाएंगे जिसके पे आएगा. यस विवेक.
Houseboat are called the shikara. Mainly houseboat are different shape in color. The houseboat are mainly run in the lap of lake. The houseboat are decorated with teeny light and decorated with beautifully amenity.
राइट आंसर है. और ऐड करना चाहती हैं, बोलिए.
Sir, there is also available a kitchen.
Provide.
हाँ. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Yes, Nancy.
Farmers were frightened because they saw the giant footprints.
Because they saw giant footprints.
Sir.
Yes, Krishna, बोलिए.
The footprint size is a single bed.
And all the metal are
And
just
all the metal
All the
are-
metals
are-
were vanished.
Yes.
Okay. What was Hogren's idea? Yes, Nitin.
Boldest idea was save the Iron Man.
To save the Iron Man. Trap the Iron Man. Okay, और कौन ऐड करना चाहता है? Yes, Vivek.
The other idea was trap the Iron Man. He taken a knife and a long nail and trapped together. A sound was produced. The sound is clean, clean, clean. He stand toward the hole and he wait for attract the Iron Man.
Okay, nice. Next question. What did Gopal Bhatt demand to solve the problem? Yes, Deepu.
Gopal Bhatt demand to take 1 million rupees to solve the problem. And take 1 year to.
After 1 year?
After 1 year, he solved the problem.
Yes, Nancy.
Gopal Bhatt demand 1 million rupees to solve the problem and take at least 1 year to solve the problem.
After 1 year, he said, solve the problem.
The end of the year, the Gopal Bhatt money is over, and he again called demanded the 1 million rupees and 1 year time.
Okay. Nice. Next. Why did King John not like the abode? Why did? नहीं आ रहा नितिन. बताइए रीवा.
King John not like the abbot because abbot is very wealthy and powerful to King John.
Yes, Vivek.
There are many servants are work in his life, so in his house. So king does not like the abbot.
Okay. Next. What were the answer of the white shepherd? Yes, Krishna.
The wise shepherd answer is first answer is 25 shilling, and second answer is 24 hours, and third is
Second answer is wrong.
Okay.
third.
Shepherd said that the king, you will ride all over the world with the speed of sun.
Okay. Second last question. इसके बाद हम लोग last question करेंगे. Yes. What warning did the chief of the monkey give to the other monkeys? What warning did the chief of the monkeys give to the other monkeys? Bastini. Yes, Sneha.
The chief of the monkey give a warning to other monkeys this that anyone that can be any big problem. If the chief can beat the sheep from the heat pain, then it can be burned. It can be fire everywhere. Then we can be also die.
Yes, Vivek.
The monkey said that the chief of monkeys said that all the monkey, the behavior of cook is not good to Ram. When Ram is going to kitchen, then cook hit him. It causes a serious accident in the palace of king.
Okay. Next question. Why did the chief say, King, now you may return to the palace empty-handed? ने क्यों कहा कि राजा आप खाली हाथ चले जाओ? Yes, Vivek.
King's chief of monkey said to king, a demon was live in this lake. He eat all your family member and court member. You will return empty hand as you kill my all the family member to capture your favorite horse.
So last question करते हैं एक और. What was the single hope in the hearts of all who lived in the house? एक ही आप उठा. आप बता सकते हैं किस चैप्टर का ये?
Yes sir. Letter to God.
A letter to God. तो उनकी आखिरी उम्मीद क्या थी? बताइए.
The single hope in the heart of all who lived in the house, help from the God.
Help from the
God.
इसके लिए वो लेटर भी लिखते हैं.
Yes sir.
और 70 pound जो है
he demanded as 100 pound, but he received 70 pound.
Okay, next. Why did not the jackal go to the hunt? जयकॉल शिकार करने क्यों नहीं जाता था? Yes, अफसा.
The jackal did not go to hunt because he was very lazy
and want easy food. वो चाहता था आसानी से उसे खाना.
He said the want is
Krishna.
He does not want to hunting. Do hunting.
Okay, next. Why did all the rodents pay respect to the jackals? सभी लोग क्यों रिस्पेक्ट पे कर रहे थे जैकल को? दीपू.
All the rodents pay respect to the jackal because the rodents imagine the jackal is the god.
राइट है, लेकिन और भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. यस नेहा.
Sir, all the rodents pay respect to the jackal because they think that he is a big saint, and the jackal had also said many things about him, that if he will take his both hands on the both legs on the earth, then earth can be fall in the lava, fire of the lava.
Okay, nice. Next. Last question. Finally, what happened to the jackal? Last question है, जिसे भी आंसर देना हाथ उठाएंगे. Yes, Vivek.
When the rodent chief order to all the rodents to attack the body of jackal, and all the rodents bite him all over his body, and he was organized death. Immediate death.
Okay. So क्लास 7 इंग्लिश डिबेट कंप्लीट हो चुका है. बच्चों ने काफी अच्छा जवाब दिया. इसका रिजल्ट जो है विनर अनाउंसमेंट बाद में किया जाएगा. थैंक यू.